Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I want to take a look at NDAQ Inc. Now, this isn't the NASDAQ, but it's, well, the NASDAQ. And so NASDAQ was a company that Dan Fitzpatrick featured on the chart of the day just recently. Now, I really like this setup here because, as you can see, we have been going sideways for almost a month and a half here on NASDAQ Inc., and the price action has gotten really tight. And what that's done is that's brought these Bollinger Bands really close together. Now, when the Bollinger Bands are really close together, what you can get is what Dan likes to call a volatility squeeze, where the price is squeezing really tight between these bands, and eventually we just get an explosion to the upside. And so that's kind of what I'm looking for here on NDAQ. So I'm going to set an alert on this at around 133.50. And I think if we get a move above 133.50 on higher than average volume, this could really start to go. Nice sideways base of consolidation. The moving averages are catching up, and it seems to be going up on higher than average volume and pulls back on less volume. So I think this is a good breakout candidate that you should definitely keep on a watch list. I hope this video is helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. And be sure and sign up for Dan Fitzpatrick's free stock chart of the day at StockMarketMentor.com. We'll catch you next time.